In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a header row in Google Sheets. If you've ever scrolled down a long spreadsheet and lost track of your column titles, this will fix that for good. A header row is simply the top row that labels your data, things like name, date, status, or total. And the goal is to keep it visible no matter how far you scroll. I'll show you the quickest technique, plus the standard menu option, and then a simple way to make your header stand out so your sheet stays clean, professional, and easy to read. Let's start with the fastest method, sometimes called the secret handle. Look to the very top left of your sheet, where the row numbers meet the column letters. You'll see a small gray rectangle. Just below it is a thicker gray line that sits above row 1. Click that thick gray line and drag it straight down so it snaps just under your first row. As soon as you release, the first row becomes frozen. Now try scrolling down. Your titles remain locked at the top while the rest of your data moves beneath them. This is the quickest way to create a permanent header row, and it takes only a second. If you prefer using the menu, there's a built-in command that does the same thing. Click anywhere in your header row so it's selected. Next, go to the top menu, choose View, hover over Freeze, and click Yet One Row. That option freezes the top row, which is where your headers should live for best results. Once it's applied, scroll through your sheet to confirm. Even if you're working with hundreds or thousands of rows, those labels stay visible at all times, so you always know exactly which column you're looking at. To make your header look professional and easier to scan, give it a bold font and a background color. Select the entire header row, click the bold button to thicken the text, and then choose a fill color that contrasts nicely with the white grid. Light grays, soft blues, or pale greens work well. Keep the color subtle so the text remains readable. This visual styling helps your spreadsheet feel organized and makes key fields stand out instantly. That's all there is to it. Freeze the top row, style it for clarity, and enjoy a sheet that's simple to navigate from top to bottom.